Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're diving into a machine that perfectly balances adventure, performance, and affordability, the 2025 BMW G310 GS. Whether you're an aspiring off-road enthusiast or just looking for a versatile bike that's fun on both city streets and gravel trails, this one checks all the boxes. Stick around as we break down the key features, performance, and design elements that make this bike a top contender in the entry-level adventure category. Let's get started. The 2025 BMW G310 GS is a bike that carries the torch for BMW's entry-level adventure motorcycles, offering a compelling balance of versatility, performance, and style. Known for its lightweight design and off-road capabilities, the G310 GS has carved out a space for itself in the entry-level adventure segment. And for 2025, BMW has refined its formula even further, making this a standout choice for new riders, daily commuters, and weekend adventurers alike. At the heart of the G310 GS is a 313cc single-cylinder engine, which remains largely unchanged for 2025. This engine has proven itself as an ideal powertrain for a bike of this size. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected motor produces around 34 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM, offering enough punch for both city rides and light off-roading. It's the perfect combination of power and agility, allowing for smooth acceleration and a responsive feel without overwhelming novice riders. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that gives you a smooth and predictable shifting experience, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling dirt trails. On-road performance is another area where the G310 GS excels. BMW has tuned the bike's suspension and frame for comfort, stability, and handling, which is especially important for an adventure bike. The 2025 G310 GS is equipped with a 41mm USD upside-down fork at the front and a monoshock suspension at the rear, both offering excellent feedback and control over rough surfaces. This setup gives the G310 GS a sporty feel when riding on tarmac, but is also forgiving enough to handle the unpredictability of gravel roads or light trails. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on a weekend adventure, the G310 GS handles it all with ease. Speaking of off-road capabilities, the G310 GS remains true to its adventure roots with features that make it a strong performer on dirt trails. The bike's lightweight design, coupled with a generous 180mm of ground clearance, allows it to easily navigate obstacles like rocks and uneven surfaces. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear tires are an ideal size for tackling gravel paths and light off-roading. The bike's 11-liter fuel tank offers a decent range, ensuring you can cover longer distances between fuel stops, making it perfect for extended trips into the wilderness. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is its modern design, which blends BMW's signature adventure style with a sleek, contemporary look. The G310 GS retains the distinct beak-like front end and the tall stance that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The bike's bodywork is compact, helping it maintain its agility, but also includes rugged touches that are essential for an adventure bike. The handlebars are positioned for comfort, with a slight rise that offers better leverage for off-road riding. The windscreen is adjustable, offering decent protection for the rider in various riding conditions. This practical design keeps the bike approachable for shorter riders but still comfortable for those taller in stature. In terms of safety and rider aids, the 2025 G310 GS is loaded with features that make it both a beginner-friendly and confidence-inspiring machine. The aforementioned ABS is designed to work seamlessly on both on-road and off-road terrains, ensuring you stay in control during emergency braking situations. The bike also has a relatively low seat height of 835mm, making it easier for riders to plant their feet on the ground. This is an essential feature for newer riders or those who are less confident with off-road situations. The suspension is adjustable, allowing riders to tweak the settings based on their weight and riding conditions, further enhancing the bike's versatility. Now let's talk about the price. For the 2025 BMW G310 GS, the price tag in most markets is expected to hover around $5,800 USD, making it one of the more affordable options in the entry-level adventure bike segment. This pricing positions it well against competitors like the Suzuki V-Strom 250 and the KTM 390 Adventure, while offering the premium feel and quality you'd expect from a BMW. For the price, you get a highly capable adventure bike with a top-tier build quality, great performance, and a proven reputation. Another selling point is the weight. At just 169.5 kg 373 lbs, the G310 GS is significantly lighter than many of its competitors, making it a great choice for riders who may be looking for a more manageable bike that doesn't sacrifice off-road potential. This weight also contributes to the bike's nimble handling, which makes it ideal for city commuting and navigating tight spaces. That's a wrap on our review of the 2025 BMW G310 GS, a lightweight, capable, and affordable adventure bike that continues BMW's legacy in the entry-level segment. If you're looking for a bike that can handle your daily commute and weekend adventures, the G310 GS is definitely worth considering. What do you think? Would you take this on your next off-road adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update from Bike Culture Hub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.